today's live show. And on the last week, we already introduced about the new concept about the restaurant series product. And I think you must know something about our metalworking furniture and the new concept. I told you the M plus concept. You can purchase the different backrest and the chair thing. You can do the free combination and increase your marketing competitive. And then I already introduced about the quick fit. Yeah, so that you know that it's very easy to installation, and then you can reduce your labor cost and the storage cost. Okay, so what's the topic of today's live show? I would like to introduce about the metalworking furniture in Yumia. I have a question. Do you know what is the metalworking furniture? 3, 2, 1. Okay, I can tell you that the metalworking furniture, it means that in Yumia, metalworking furniture, it means that a chair, it has the solid wood look and solid wood feeling, the metal chair. On the metal chair, whatever the aluminum chair or the steel chair or stainless steel, or only the steel and the aluminum chair. Yeah, they have the wood look and the solid wood feeling. So in the first, I would like to introduce the history about the metal grain furniture. Okay. As you know that Yumia's furniture, the boss, Mr. Gong, he developed the metalworking furniture since 1998. And before the 1998, this world only have two styles chair. The first one is the solid wood chair. The second one is the metal chair. Solid wood chair, something will feel somebody will feel we think that it's very comfortable and very have a good look. And for the metal chair, somebody will think it have a good quality. And because you know that aluminum chair or the steel chair, it won't have any loosen. Yeah. So how can miss the two advantages about the solid wood chair and the aluminum chair? So Mr. Gong developed the metalworking furniture. Okay, so first of all, I want to take you look around the solid wood chair in the restaurant series. Okay, this one. Yeah, you feel when you first time to look it, it's a restaurant series chair. Very suitable for any commercial restaurant places uses, dining area uses. Yeah. So for the advantage, you will know that. First one, the material is the solid wood, so that it can give you the solid wood feeling. Any corner, yeah, you will have the really look like a it's just a solid wood chair, so it can give you a it can give you a warm feeling. But we know that for the solid wood chair, it have a disadvantage. Is what? Yeah. So when I see it, you easy to find the problem is this part. Yeah. For the solid wood chair, it will very easy loosen by the chair use year of the year. And then when I see it, when I fast it times of time, so the chair is very easy to get the problem, get the loosen. So if you today run a restaurant area, the furniture is the important part for the restaurant. Yeah. If today the chair is very have the problem, very easy to have the problem, you have to maintain it. So it will increase the cost about you running a restaurant. Yep. So when I see it, I can easy to hear the noise. Yes. So you just heard that this is the problem about the soluble chair. And we know that. And just now I told you that for the metal chair, it have a very good quality. But you know, the metal chair is very just just one point for the advantage is the good quality, but compared with the solid wood chair, I think the solid wood will look is will more much better. So that our Mr. Gong, our boss Mr. Gong, he developed the metal grain technology in the chair. So before 2020 years, metal wood grain just a finish in the metal chair. So that it means that today only have a normal banquet chair, and then you put some wood grain paper or use the oil to draw the to printing the wood grain on the chair. But when you look it, you feel it not look like a solid chair. It just you when you first come to see it, you know it's just a metal chair because it don't have any solid feeling. So that our Mr. Gong and our engineer team, they have considered the problem, how to solve this problem, how to make the chair look like a solid chair, but also have the metal chair quality. Okay, so now let's introduce today's main product. This chair. Okay, so Mr. Gong and our engineer team, they think how to make this solid chair transfer to the metal chair. Because you know, this chair have the wood look, have the solid wood chair feeling, but how can let this chair have the metal chair quality? So that this chair is coming. This one is we transfer the solid chair into the metal chair, and then when you see this chair, when you first time to see it, you will feel it really look like a solid chair. Okay, you can come here. When you see all the chair's leg, it have the corner, and this part have the corner, and then you will see the wood grain is very clear and beautiful, and then you can see this backrest, the, the, the angle, yeah, just look like a solid chair. So that this chair it not only have the aluminum chair quality, but also have the solid wood feeling. So when I sit on this chair, wow, very comfortable. And just now I said, for the solid chair, it will very easy to get the loosen. But for our metal chair, for our aluminum chair, you can feel this. Whatever I shake it, I press it, it won't have any other noises. It means that the chair is very good quality. So how to make the solid chair, but sorry, how to make the metal grain furniture. I would like to tell you the secret about the Yumia's metal grain technology. Okay, so when I told you how to, before I told you how to make a metal grain furniture, I would like to introduce about the production line in our Yumia furniture workshop. The first one, we purchase the material like the aluminum, the steel, or the stainless steel. Yeah. The second one is we cut it. We use the knife, whether we import it from the Japan, it can make the tubing very clear. The next step is we weld it. We have a 6 robot we import it from the Japan, and then the chair, when we weld it, we can do the full welding, and then no mistake. After to weld it, the chair will send to do the polish. First one is the tubing polish, and then we will do the whole chair polish. After that, we will do the detail polish so that it can make the whole chair very smooth. After that, we will do the chemical washings to clean the chair, be more beauty. And then we will send it to do the powder coating. Okay, so this part is the same like what we do the metal chair, and then the next is the secret of the metal grain technology. Yeah. After to do the powder coating, we will use our PCM machine to cut the paper, cut the wood grain paper. Yeah, this one is the wood grain paper. Why we use the PCM machine to cut the wood grain paper? I think in the past or now in some small factory, they will cut the wood grain paper by their labor, by hand, but it will have a problem. It means that the labor to cut it, it will very difficult to cut the paper very match for the chair tubing, because you know that the chair, why it look like a solid chair, because you can see the wood grain look like a solid chair, and this area it will look like a solid chair. So maybe in some small factory or in some past technology, they only will cut the paper whatever like this one. Yeah, a whole part you use one, and then next part use one. You will feel the chair only have the only have the wood grain, but it don't look like a solid chair. But Yumia, we will cut the wood grain paper by the digital, and then our PCM machine will have any detail, any data of the chair, so that we can cut it very match for each style chair. One paper, one mold. Well, one chair set, one paper mold, so that it can make every chair really look like a solid chair. So that after you cut the wood grain paper, our worker will use the high temperature resistant PVC to wrap the wood grain paper. So that what's the advantage about this step? It means that use the PVC to wrap the wood grain paper, it can make the wood grain paper very match for our chair frame. So this is the reason why Yumia's metal grain technology is so great and make the wood grain very clear. Because we will put the PVC to wet it, and then the wood grain paper will very match for our chair thing. After that, the chair will send to the heating oven to do the heat transfer. After that, clean the paper so you get the solid feeling metal chair, and we call it metal wood grain furniture. Yeah, so this is the production line. How we produce metal wood furniture. And now, since the 2020, our Mr. Gong and our engineer team, they developed over so many color for the 2D indoor wood grain technology. Yeah. So whatever the walnut, yeah, different color walnut, and then for some beech, cherry, yeah, oak wood, yeah, something like this one. And we can give our client who can do the semi-customize. If the client they want the chair look like the beech wood, we can produce for it. If the client want the chair look like a cherry, we also can produce it, because we are the pioneer in the metal woven technology who do in the furniture area, so that we are the pioneer. So we have a different color, different choices to give our client. That is the reason why the client they very believe us and they very trust us, because we are the pioneer. We do the metal furniture very great. And what's more, you know, in Yumia, I told you that we have an engineer team, so that in the area we will develop some new style chair, so to satisfy the marketing need. So whatever the this one is our Hong Kong designer Mr. Wang. He developed some chair for us, and then for this chair, yeah, when you first time to see this picture, I think you will have same feeling with us. It means that, wow, really look like a solid wood chair. Yeah. And then we will develop some different style, different chair. Yeah. And consider how can we improve the technology? How can we improve the skill? So how can we make the chair not only look like, not only have the solid feeling, but also when we touch it, we can also have the solid feeling. When we also have the solid feeling is this one. In the past, some client told us that, wow, Jason, your chair, it just very look like a solid chair, yet when I touch it, it compare with the solid chair, it have a distance, yeah, because you touch it, it's a smooth. But now, when I told you this style is 3D wood grain technology. Well, what's the 3D wood grain technology? It means that not only look like when you use the eye to look on the chair, not only look like the solid chair, but also when you touch it, come here. Yeah. When you touch it, I can use my nail to scratch it. You will very clear to hear whatever touch it. it just looks like a solid chair. This is the important technology about the Yumia furniture. For the 3D wood grain technology, we have a 3 color. Which color is also very, when I touch it, it just looks like a solid chair. Solid feeling. Yeah. When I scratch it, very look like a solid feeling. Same one. Yeah. So that by the year, by the developing the metal grain technology, we will consider more how we can more satisfy for the marketing needs. So we produce for the 2D technology, 3D technology, wood grain technology, and then in the last 2 years, we upgrade the technology about this one. Is our outdoor wood grain technology. I think in the past, for the solid chair, you can put on the outside area. The lifetime will be very soft because you know in the outdoor area, the UV, the the raining day, the sunshine day, it can very will hurt the chair very much. So that the lifetime of the chair is very short. But now, when we give the metal chair with the outdoor wood grain technology, so that it means that the chair have the metal quality but have the solid feeling. Wow, unbelievable, yep. And for the chair seclusion, we also do the suitable on the outdoor area using. So whatever the sunshine day is UV and water resistant. And what's more, for the color, we also can give more choices for our client. They can choose what color they want and what color of the fabric they want. So this 3 technology is Yumia core technology, metal grain technology. 2D metal grain furniture, 3D metal grain furniture, and the outdoor metal wood grain furniture. So Yumia not only focus on the restaurant area, but also we do on the hotel furniture. But they have fact, yeah. In the China's marketing, they have many factories who do the hotel furniture or the banquet furniture. We think that how can we increase the marketing capacity on the hotel furniture? We think more long time, and then we know that metal grain technology is our core technology. So is that possible that can use the metal grain technology into the banquet chair? If it makes it, I think, yeah, no, we think it will have a public market need, so that we develop the metal wood grain banquet chair is this one. So if today you run the business who do the commercial furniture or do the hotel furniture, maybe you will have one problem that you do the normal banquet chair, and then the client will compare with the price, maybe $1, $0.5. But if we told you we can do the metal woodworking furniture. We can do the metal woodworking technology on the banquet chair, so that you will have more marketing competitive. You don't need to worry about the client who care the $0.5 or the $1, because the product is very have the marketing competitive. When I first time to see this shirt, I'm shocked because I can't believe it. In the banquet chair, it will have a solid feeling. And what's more, our chair also can do the fast batch. Wow, how comfortable. So Yumia, you put the metal technology onto the every furniture line, such as the restaurant series or the hotel banquet series. And what's more, we also put the technology onto the senior living area. Yeah, so we are the pioneer and we are very experienced of furniture manufacturer. And then you can see this is the catalog, and on the first one it also will use the wood grain metal grain technology onto this chair. So we also give the chair can stack more pieces, but also put it a new skill, new technology, and then a new finish. So that, yeah, the also is the banquet chair. So if you have time, I very want to invite you, come to our factory, come to our production line. You will know how fantastic our production line. Yeah, you will know how to make a metal grain furniture. So if today you run the metal grain furniture business, or today you run a commercial furniture business, don't worry, just contact us. I will share the new catalog and the new production line to you. I think it will more fantastic and more satisfied for your need. Okay, it's gonna to the end of today's live show. I'm Jason. See you next week. Bye bye.